Stop using the sum function in Excel because it could lead to a big mistake. I'll show you why the subtotal function is better and more reliable. Let's get started. Take a look at this table showing the hours worked by employees across various functions and departments. The first step is understanding how the sum function works, and the best way to explain this is through an example. I'll sum up all the hours worked here. And do the same using subtotal. Specifically choosing number 9 for summing. Currently, both sum and subtotal show the same total hours worked. You might think they're both accurate, right? But wait until we start filtering by department or function. Let's filter by department and select the finance department. If you're using sum regularly and applying filters as shown here, filtering for the finance department displays an incorrect number, 1,314 hours worked, while the actual amount is 528 hours. This happens because the sum function adds up all numbers in the selected range regardless of the filter. In contrast, the subtotal function only adds up the rows visible under the applied filter, hence the 528 hours. This example illustrates why subtotal is better than sum. There are other reasons too. Subtotal offers more choices such as average, count, maximum, minimum, and sum. It's a more diverse function. As seen, the sum function counts all rows even when a filter is applied, whereas subtotal only tallies the rows visible through the filter.